एडवाइस फॉर फर्स्ट टाइम इन्वेस्टर्स, क्योंकि हम देख रहे हैं कि लगातार बाजार में इन्वेस्टमेंट को लेकर के बहुत अवेयरनेस हो रही है और बहुत सारे इन्वेस्टर्स आ रहे हैं। यंग इन्वेस्टर्स बहुत ज्यादा हैं जिनको बहुत ज्यादा तेजी से पैसा बनाने का चस्का लग जाता है। बट मार्केट नाउअडेज जो पहले रिटर्न हमने देखे पिछले एक साल में, वो अब शायद नहीं मिल रहे हैं मार्केट से उतने रिटर्न्स। एक स्टेबल जगह पे है बाजार। ऐसे में फर्स्ट टाइम इन्वेस्टर्स के लिए क्या ये सही समय है एंट्री लेने का, और अगर है तो आप क्या एक की एडवाइस देना चाहेंगे?
नहीं, फर्स्ट टाइम इन्वेस्टर तो एट एवरी फेस आते ही रहेंगे। देयर विल बी यंग पीपल गेटिंग जॉब। जब भी जॉब होता है देन यू स्टार्ट टू सेव, right? Assuming you start to save, sometimes you may spend, but at some point in time you will start to think of saving. So first time investor तो हमेशा आते ही रहेंगे. The question is how do you invest? So you have to ask yourself what do you understand. अगर आपको बैंक FD ही understand होती है तो you begin with that, but then you try to gain knowledge as to what is equity, what is mutual fund, कैसे करना है. So you should be open to all the ideas, but you start with what you are comfortable. If your family, like when I started, my family was comfortable only with bank deposits. So my father used to advise put in bank. So I started there. But then I started reading, I started understanding. Then you move to equities, you move to commodities. You know, also, so you need to have a thirst for knowledge. You start with what you understand. Then the next step is clearly, as I said, a sense on the timing. If you don't require the money right now and it's a more long-termish, then you put in equity. Then the third very important tool is read a lot about asset allocation. That to me is a very, very critical thing. Because if you don't understand asset allocation, then you will be terribly biased towards one or the other, which may not be very suitable in the long run. So try to understand, and nowadays a lot of data is available on asset allocation. As I said, we think the 12-20-80 is a very simple tool to start. Right? It's a to start. Now you may say, आप क्यों 12 महीने की बोल रहे हैं? Yeah, you add your risk and you put more money, but at least start reading. Once आपको समझ में आएगा, then you will be able to, diversify and take full benefit. So even though you are a fresher, even though markets are at whatever levels right now, if you look at the next 10, 20, 30 years, India still has a lot to grow, and equity will definitely do well.